Good morning everyone. My name is ANUSHREE Patel and I'm a 12th grader. The topic that I've chosen for myself is coping with academic pressure and strategies for maintaining mental wellness in a competitive environment. We all know the pressure that comes with this year. It is a big responsibility and a turning point for our academic journey. Like many students, I was once an average student, consistently ranking in 5th or 4th position. However, 11th grade proved challenging. My grades initially climbed the Everest and then gradually dipped, leading to a sharp decline towards the end. This downturn impacted me deeply and triggered self-doubt and anxiety. Fortunately, my family members and my mentors, Purvi ma'am, Anjali ma'am and the IP team provided invaluable support. Having said that, though my final results were not ideal, they were definitely an improvement. Now in 12th grade, something has surely shifted. It's been a month and I see a stark difference in my mentality and focus. You might be wondering why I'm sharing this with you. It is because my struggles in 11th grade, while difficult, were a crucial learning experience. Every student faces this pressure, but how they cope with it makes all the difference. There's no one size that fits all solution. Social media might offer you countless theories, but their effectiveness depends on the individual. Here's what I've learned and practiced. Find your own path. Experiment with different study techniques and time management strategies. What works for your friend might not work for you. Like when I was in 11th, I used to go through a lot of Instagram reels suggesting that I should follow a particular study technique. Well, it turned out some methods enhanced my effectiveness and efficiency while some did not. Prioritize self-care. Healthy eating, regular exercise and enough sleep are essential for both your physical and mental well-being. I would suggest that you would not neglect this from your daily routine. Seek support. Talk to your teachers, your mentors, or even your classmates. Sharing your struggle can be incredibly empowering. Fuel your focus. A healthy eating habits. Eat healthy food that keep your brain energized and don't forget to stay hydrated. A well-rested body absorbs information better, so aim for a good night's sleep. I would also suggest for you to set a proper sleep schedule so that it helps you to utilize your overall day effectively and efficiently. Befriend your books and your friends as well. Form a study group, share ideas and stay motivated. And don't be afraid to ask help from your tutors or your teachers. They're there to support you. Celebrate your small wins. Acknowledge your accomplishments no matter how small they are. Every step forward, every small accomplishment will take you closer to your goal. Unplug and recharge. Schedule time for the activities that you enjoy the most, like your hobbies, your favorite sports, or simply spending time with your family or friends. A balanced life fuels academic success. Enroll yourselves in an institute where the environment suits you and you're comfortable with. Academic pressure is real, but so is your strength. By understanding yourself better and utilizing effective strategies, you can navigate this year with confidence and achieve your goals. Remember, the academic pressure is real, but so is your strength and resilience. By taking care of yourselves and using smart strategies, you can excel in your studies while maintaining your mental wellness. So let's conquer that academic climb together. Thank you.